Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate brand voice guidelines in Grammarly. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate brand voice guidelines in Grammarly, start by logging into your Grammarly account. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on the Apps section in the sidebar. This will direct you to various applications associated with Grammarly. Now, select the Grammarly Business option. If you are not already using Grammarly Business, you may need to upgrade your account. After selecting Grammarly Business, go to the Brand Voice section. In this section, you will see options for creating your brand voice guidelines. Click on Create Brand Voice. You can now add your brand's specific tone and style preferences. Fill in details such as formality level, tone, and audience. Be as specific as possible to ensure Grammarly understands your brand's voice. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on Save. Grammarly will use this information to guide its suggestions while you write. To ensure everything is set up correctly, write a sample text using Grammarly. Check if the suggestions align with your brand voice guidelines. If adjustments are needed, return to the Brand Voice section to make changes. Reviewing your guidelines every so often is advisable to keep them up to date. This simple process helps maintain consistency in your writing across your brand's content. Now you are ready to use Grammarly with your brand voice activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.